Out of 1 to 10 ndani 8%.
8% nyarango kuyigerera kabisa.
8% yengwe serikali sokugerera abasai. Serikali ya Williams kama Ruto nere serikali ya Ntangani na kwa na Ritangani. Kwena na ya ambaro bado chini was chinke, but it is a lot of money, 50,000 to young people ko start their business. Ekerega ndrete konya kuri chinchera choko create employment. That's one of creating employment. Tuarore serikali ya Kenya geko kewa point PSS and the CS very youth, which was rare in the past. Na ndio tuarore serikali ya William Ruto kewa tema juu chini kuligeria abasai baituchiga assistant bwate program y'kuruku ajira maju iyo serikali yokuira abantu kiro mutini which chinse chisco tubwate na ndi program chino tubwata ajira digital ni lab chire every constituency asaba sai bakwenda oro bakorona jobs na ndi chire in TVETs, all national TVETs. So in one or the other the government is just trying to put youths in a good place. I can give it 8 out of 10.
Yes, asante sana. Orujiji nechinga kitu wene kubeke kirugo kyabasai. Nakibona bune kyabagwimene rep bare kirakiba na abanzo bakwakeru n'abasubandi. Tubeke oroje nega nerias chinga kishikire abasai kubekerwe kirugo kyabo kyabene. Tubone kene kirugo ke represent abasai.
Yeah, even don't tubwat youth representatives in every county assembly in the country and the national assembly. I think into went over to and birogo binde bike never be very via side so that they present in every county ever represented in the national level. At least to aromontororo okokwanera evento via side national. I think in show every county got challenges. Every people have their own challenge. If every youth in every county babwato monto bakomorera amangana abo batete obaikeriga, it will be so easier a government to kanyara kumanya nkikegenda on the ground.